Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making macaroni salad. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of dry elbow macaroni. I have 1 5-ounce can of solid white albacore tuna in water. And all you want to do is take a fork and break it down into small pieces. I have 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to need another half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And you also want to keep out your parsley flakes and paprika. To a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add in my half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to go ahead and stir it. And now we're going to add in our elbow macaroni. And you want to let that cook for 6 to 10 minutes until it's tender. Once your elbow macaroni is done cooking, you want to turn off your heat and you want to drain the water from it. Once you drain your elbow macaroni, you want to go ahead and run cold water over it. Now you want to place your macaroni into a large bowl. You want your macaroni to be cold. So now I'm going to add in my albacore tuna. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And guys, if you want to add diced onion and celery, you can. I'm just keeping mine simple. So now I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and also my teaspoon of ground black pepper and also my parsley flakes. So I'm going to go in and mix that until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add in my mayonnaise. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now guys, you can go ahead and taste it. If you want to add anything else, you can. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and add some parsley flakes over top. And also some paprika. Okay guys, and here we have it, our macaroni salad. It's a simple macaroni salad, and like I said, you guys can add whatever you would like to yours. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?